Welcome to Brainy Whiz Learning, where young minds strive and curiosity is king. In this Christmas special episode, get ready to learn the ABCs, numbers, and all about Christmas. A is for Angel and Advent Calendar. B is for Bethlehem, bells, and baubles. C is for Christmas tree, candy canes, and carols. D is for decorations, dreidel, and December. E is for eggnog, elves, and evergreen. F is for Frosty the Snowman, fireplace, and festive. G is for gifts, gingerbread, and garland. H is for holly berries, holiday, and hot chocolate. I is for ice skating, ice cream, and icicles. J is for jolly, joy, and jingle bells. K is for Kris Kringle, kind, and knitwear. L is for lights, love, and list. M is for merry, mistletoe, and music. N is for Noel, nutcracker, and North Pole. O is for outdoor lights, oven, and ornaments. P is for presents, party, and pine cone. Q is for quiet, quiche, and quilt. R is for ribbon, reindeer, and robins. S is for Santa Claus, snowflakes, and stockings. T is for train, tree, and teddy bear. U is for unboxing, ugly sweater, and Uggs. V is for vanilla, violin, and vacation. W is for wish list, wreath, and workshop. X is for Xmas, xylophone, and X-ray. Y is for Yule log, Yuletide, and yarn. Z is for zoo lights, zest, and ZZZ.
Now get ready to explore some fun and festive Christmas rhymes. Reindeer prancing in the snow, through the skies, off they go. With a leap and a bound so high, across the Christmas sky. Christmas tree, so tall and green, the prettiest sight we've ever seen. With baubles, lights, and stars so bright, filling our hearts with delight. Sleigh bells ringing, children singing, Christmas cheer they are bringing. Carols by the fire's light on this joyous Christmas night. Candles glow on Christmas Eve, magic in the air, we believe. Silent night, holy night, everything is calm and bright. Gingerbread man running with icing and buttons, it's so much fun. In the oven, he will bake a yummy treat for us to make.
Now, let's count to 10 with some special holiday items. 1. There is one gold star for the top of our tree. 1, 2, do you see 2 jingle bells? 1, 2, 3, there are 3 candy canes. 1, 2, 3, 4, can you see 4 Christmas stockings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here are 5 colorful baubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, look at these 6 gingerbread men. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, we have 7 cups of hot cocoa. Can you count out 8 snowflakes with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here are 9 wrapped gifts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and finally, 10 Christmas cards.
We've talked so much about Christmas, but do you know what Christmas is? Let's find out together. Christmas is a holiday celebrated by millions of people around the world. It's on December 25th. A long time ago, people started celebrating Christmas to honor the birth of Jesus Christ, a figure in Christian religion. But today, people of many different beliefs celebrate Christmas in various ways. There are so many fun traditions that come with Christmas. Families decorate Christmas trees with lights and ornaments, hang stockings for Santa Claus, and exchange gifts. People also like to sing Christmas songs, called carols. What's your favorite Christmas tradition? Christmas is also a time of giving and sharing. It's a season when people show kindness and spend time with family and friends. Some people help others by donating food, gifts, or their time. It's about spreading joy and warmth during the cold winter season. Now, let's talk about a very special person who is a big part of Christmas for many children around the world, Santa Claus. Santa Claus, also known as Saint Nicholas, Father Christmas, or Kris Kringle, is a jolly old man with a white beard and a red suit. Legend says that he lives at the North Pole with his elves who help him make toys. On Christmas Eve, Santa Claus travels the world in his magical sleigh pulled by reindeer. The most famous reindeer is Rudolph, with his bright red nose that glows. Santa visits homes while children are asleep, delivering gifts. Santa Claus is a symbol of generosity and kindness. He brings joy and excitement to children and reminds us all about the importance of giving and sharing. Even though the story of Santa is a legend, the spirit of Santa, the joy of giving, is very real and important during Christmas. Many children write letters to Santa, telling him their Christmas wishes. Some also leave out cookies and milk for Santa, and carrots for his reindeer. Have you ever written a letter to Santa or left out snacks for him and his reindeer? So, that's the story of Santa Claus, a wonderful part of Christmas. So here's a wish, simple and true. May Christmas bring happiness to you, in all you say, in all you do. May the spirit of the season forever renew. Thank you for joining us on Brainy Whiz Learning. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!